welcome on board our A380 class configuration. This aircraft has two cabins, economy cabin and business cabin. The class configuration flies to Copenhagen, Kuala Lumpur, Manchester and Bangkok. Enjoy your tour. Hello, welcome aboard.
Hi, welcome aboard Emirates.
Welcome on board. This is the DI system with the largest screen in the world, 13.3 inches. It has over 2,200 channels and on-demand movies. As well, we have a Wi-Fi on board for free for all customers.
The comfort of our young travelers is very important to us. Here we have our new Lonely Planet product and Fly With Me animals. This is Layla the camel, Enrico the monkey, Louis the lion, and Piku the panda. And here we have our special child meal tray.
I hope you enjoyed economy. Please follow the stairs to our upper deck cabin. Welcome to our A380 onboard lounge.
It's a perfect place to unwind on a flight.
Take care for a beverage.
Welcome to business class. We have 58 flatbed seats on board our A380 class.
Hello, my name is Theodora. Here's how business class look like. Here you have full flat bed for your good night's sleep, followed with 20-inch screen, the biggest in the world. For your full comfort, here we have amenity kit bags, and of course right here on your side is your personal minivan.
And we also have an economy class cabin upper deck of this A380 in a configuration of 8 seats per row in a total of 120 seats, adding up to the 437 that we have on the main deck.
Hello there! I hope you enjoyed our economy class.
Thank you for coming on board today. We hope you enjoyed your tour of our A380 class configuration, and we hope to see you on one of our flights very soon.